You've been using your radiator wrong your whole life, and it can seriously cost you money. A lot of people turn the heating on and immediately set the dial to 5. They think the radiator will warm up faster that way. But that's not true. No matter what number you choose, the radiator won't heat the room any quicker. That's why, if you're wondering how to set your radiator without overpaying and how to lower your heating bills, you need to understand one important thing. Many people don't actually know what the numbers on the radiator mean. The snowflake symbol is frost protection mode. The radiator will only switch on if the temperature drops very low. 1 is around 55 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 is about 61 degrees. 3 is around 68 degrees, which is usually the most comfortable temperature at home. 4 is about 75 degrees, and 5 can be as high as 82 degrees. People often assume the higher the number, the faster it gets warm. But this dial doesn't speed up heating, it only sets the target room temperature. And that's why setting it to 5 is often a huge mistake. The radiator will keep running until the room feels almost like a sauna. In most homes, nobody needs it that hot, and your bills can shoot up fast. If you want warmth without wasting money, 3 is more than enough. Place the insulating foil against the radiator. Trim any excess if it's too big, then slide it between the radiator and the wall so it fits tightly. And that's it. The heat emitted by the radiator is trapped by the foil and reflected back into the room. This helps you save on heating bills while enjoying comfortable warmth throughout the house. You've been using your ice scraper wrong your whole life. If you look closely, the other side has little teeth. First, run those across the frozen windshield like this. The ridges crack the ice and create tiny fractures in it. That makes the ice lose its grip, so it lifts off the glass much more easily. Only then use the smooth edge and scrape it clean. The ice comes off way faster and with hardly any effort. 5 winter hacks you need to know. Cut a pool noodle lengthwise and open it up. Lift the windshield wiper, place the noodle over it, then lower the wiper back down. Do the same with the other wiper. This prevents the wipers from freezing to the windshield. In the morning, just remove the noodle and you're good to go. Next, take a zip-top bag and open it. Slip it over the side mirror and secure it with a rubber band. Do the same for the other mirror. The bag protects your mirrors from snow and frost. Remove the bags and enjoy mirrors ready for driving. Always keep a piece of cardboard in your trunk. Place it under the front wheels. The cardboard increases traction and helps you move off on snow or ice. 1 tablespoon is all you need, and you can forget about scraping your windshield in the morning. Cold mornings can be really unpleasant, and clearing ice off the glass often takes way too long. Instead of buying an expensive de-icer, you can make your own. Pour 1 cup of alcohol into a tall container. It melts ice fast and boosts the whole mixture. Then add half a cup of white vinegar. Vinegar not only enhances the effect of the alcohol but also lowers the freezing point, helping the ice melt faster and preventing a new layer from forming. Add half a cup of boiled water to get the right consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of a secret, very important ingredient. It forms a protective layer and slows down refreezing. Add a tablespoon of dish soap to help the mixture spread evenly. A few drops of essential oil will give it a pleasant scent, so it's effective and nice to use. Once mixed, pour everything into a spray bottle, close it and shake well. Spray it over the frosted windshield, and the ice will disappear within moments, leaving the glass perfectly clear. The secret ingredient is glycerin, thanks to which you can finally forget what morning scraping feels like. I don't waste time in the morning defrosting my car windows. At night, I spread a towel over the glass. The towel traps the moisture, so ice doesn't form, and the windows stay clear and ready to drive in the morning.